Hello to everyone, my name is Max. Let's learn how to use Mark In and Mark Out in Premiere Pro. I will show you how to use it on the source panel and the timeline panel. New sequence is created. In the project panel we have all imported medias, which one we can watch by double-click. New source panel is opened. And here we have small timeline, playhead and editors buttons. By watching source footage, we can select the part which we need for editing. Playhead's position will be defined the selection area. Let's say from here, and you can press this button Mark In or use a shortcut I. I highly recommend getting into the habits of using keyboard shortcuts. It will save you a bunch of time. So press I, then go to the endpoint of selection and press this button Mark Out or shortcut O. Now we have this selection area, which one we can adjust by moving these elements. To place this selection to your timeline, be sure that video source and audio source buttons on timeline panel are active. Grab it from here and bring to the timeline. You can drag video only or audio only if you need, or press button Insert or shortcut comma, and it will be placed to the playhead's position on the timeline. Then you can repeat all these steps to prepare only useful cuts for your editing. Mark In Out also can be useful on the timeline panel. Let's check it. Most often, I use this to render only a certain part of a video cut. For example, I need to export only this video cut. I do the same steps. Place playhead to the point of start my selection, press I, then go to the end of selection and press O. Adjust it by these elements if need. To make it even faster, be sure that your video track is selected properly. Place playhead on the video clip that you need and press X. Voila! Clip is selected. To clear selection, press Option X on Mac or Ctrl-Shift-X on Windows. If you need a few video clips, you simply select them by holding Shift and press /. All these actions you have in the context menu by placing mouse's arrow in time indicator zone, right mouse click, and here all these actions: Mark In, Mark Out, Mark Clip, Mark Selection, and options of clear selections. Since selection is ready, go to the export panel or by selected timeline panel, press Command M on Mac or Ctrl M on Windows. And in the range option, choose Source In/Out. Now only selected range will be rendering. And press Export. I really hope this information was helpful for you to be a better editor. Write your comments for feedback, questions and suggestions for new videos. Thank you for watching. Stay strong and creative.